What's up, y'all? It's Andres. It's Monday. Time for a new video. My name is Andres.
And I'm Suri.
And today we are going to be
tie-dyeing. We're going to be using the RIT or RIT tie-dye. We found it at Walmart. It was easy to find. It was kind of like in the
cleaning section, something like that.
Yeah, so if you want to get that one, Walmart.
So she's using the dark brown, and I'm going to be using royal blue because it's the best color in the world.
We also have our rubber bands. We didn't have any of the other ones.
They're chongos.
So
whatever.
Unas ligas.
Water bottles, we put a little
hole in them.
Hole in the top, and that's going to be our squeezer. We have
our
2 cups of hot water.
For each.
Well, it's 4 cups because it's both of us. Behind us, we have our tray, so the fabric isn't sitting on there. By the way, we're in the garage, so
excuse the setting, just ignore that. Yeah, and we also have napkin just to check to see whether that's the right color.
The right consistency, not consistency.
The right color that we want to go
for. The color depth, you know, on the color wheel, the farther along you go, the darker it is. We just want to make sure it sits right.
Yeah.
Oh, by the way, if you haven't watched the video where we dye my hair, go back and watch that.
It's gonna be in the link down below.
Bang, bang. All right, cool. So let's go ahead and get started.
The first thing you want to do is think of the design that you're going for. We're going with the crumpling design, so we're just squishing the shirt and then putting rubber bands all over it. You want to add your 2 cups of hot water into your container. Did you fart?
No, baby. I farted like 30 minutes ago. So now that my beautiful girlfriend has put the hot water in here, we're gonna get our dye. And you want to start with the...
Oh, you gotta shake it first.
Oh, there's a tapa.
Oh, mine didn't have a tapa. Hey, somebody used mine.
So with Suri's, because she wanted tan and we bought dark brown,
I'ma just go a little bit lighter with the...
I would say do like 0 drops.
I think I'm just gonna do a little bit.
I love the color blue, by the way, so I'm gonna do this as blue as possible.
I'm gonna check to see if this is the right color that I'm going for. I'm just gonna drop a little bit. Oh, yours is cute.
This is my color. Best. Wow.
Actually, mine isn't too bad.
I like yours, baby.
Yeah.
The little white things are little boards that Suri had in her room that she's not using anymore. So we're doing that so that when you put the fabric on and like flip it over and stuff, it's not just dye sitting on the bottom.
Because then it's going to get color on the places that you don't want to color in.
So and then we just got our water bottles ready. And shirt's already crumpled up. So now we're going to go ahead.
Go ahead.
I'm scared.
I'm scared too.
I'm gonna start.
It's like that.
Huh?
Why does it look like that? It's porque le echaste. You know what? You just gotta do it. That have the
brown cows.
Oh my god, I'm gonna look like a...
Flip it over.
Okay.
Oh, these are Nature Backs shirts, by the way. So they use a comfort color. So hopefully it's not like too thick of a fabric.
This is the t-shirt. These are like the
frat girl t-shirts.
Yes, the t-shirts that are like super comfortable.
Yeah.
That is so cool. I feel like it's gonna be very white still.
You think so?
Yeah. I'm gonna flip it over to the sides that I feel like are still too white. This is what's You never know how it's gonna turn out. Now we have to wait for 30 minutes, let it rest.
So let it rest for 30 minutes, and then we're gonna throw it in the microwave for 30 minutes.
30 minutes?
For 30 seconds. All right, so put the clothes, t-shirts in the microwave for 30 seconds. And now we are gonna put cold water on top. To be honest, I don't know what that's for, but we saw it in the video.
Yeah.
So.
I'm pretty sure it's just so that
You do it for
I
everything.
can tell you.
To balance out the hot that we just did.
I think it's maybe to like freeze it. I think it's like to shock it. There we go. That's the word I was looking for. Like to shock the colors into place.
Say chicken, girl. So cold water's been ran through.
This is what mine came out to look like. Oh wow, it's so cute.
Interesting.
I feel like they both kind of look the same.
Anyways, that's our shirt. It's obviously the way I wanted it to come out because I'm professional. And now we just gotta wash it, and then
We'll show you how it looks dry.
So shirts got out the dryer.
This is how they look.
This is how they came out.
I love how they came out. So
I think Sudie's came out better than mine, to be honest.
no, I don't think so. It came out good, baby. Anyways,
mine has a lot of white, but I'm not mad at it. That's our tie-dye video.
so that was our video for this Monday. We hope y'all liked it. Give us a like, follow us on Instagram, subscribe, hit the bell to get notified every time we post, and come back on Monday.
See you next week.
Bye.